Ala innahumul mufsiduna walakin la yashurun. No doubt, surely, they are the mischief makers, but they perceive not, they understand not. And we can see in all the time, the superpowers, the empires, they talk about reforms, but it's not true. They are not making any reforms. They are not making the peace to the people. They are destroying the lives of the people. They are ruins their lives. Today we can see the so-called superpower, they want to talk about democracy and they want to bring the peace to the people and reforms, but they are the one who throwing the atom bombs on the people. They are the one who are destroying the innocent people, like in Vietnam, in Japan, and different part of the world. So it is for these kind of people, Allah say, when it is said to them, don't make mischief on the earth, they say we are the reformers. No doubt you are the peace, you are the mischief maker, but you understand not, you perceive not. And you can see today like Israel, they are saying they are making reforms in Gaza, in Palestine, but what they are doing, they are killing the women, children, old people, young people, destroying the schools, destroying the hospitals, doing all these destructions, and this is what we call it the mischief makers. The land and the sea filled with the evil of the what man hands work, destroying the humanity. Not just with the wars or with direct destruction, even through the chemicals, fertilizers, pesticides, even the sewerage water, which is the evil of the metros when the buildings have a sewerage system, and that sewerage will go to the canals, and then finally it will be filled to the seas and the rivers. The rivers are flooded with the sewerage water, the water coming from the toilets, CR, and they are bringing those waters in the ocean and in the rivers and flooded with the filth and dirt. You can see there are hundreds of millions of people, they are getting hepatitis A, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, and so many other kind of diseases. The water is flooding with the sewage water. The clean water is flooded, corrupting the agriculture products. Agriculture products supposed to be organic, but because they are bringing the pesticides, fertilizers, even the groceries which we look the beautiful products there, but they are all flooded with, contaminated with the poisons, preservatives, sodium benzoate, so many other kind of chemicals are putting in those grocery products, filth. They said we are reformers. Allah said, no, you are mischief makers. You are destroying the humanity. The chicken, we eat the poultry chicken, is full of disease. Every chicken, most of the chicken in the world, they put antibiotic. They don't want to lose 200 pesos, but they want us to eat antibiotics without needing. When you eat the chicken, you eat the antibiotics together. So your body will get resistance against antibiotics. So when you will get sick, when you take antibiotic, the antibiotic will not affect you. So chicken are being fed with the hormones, which is very dangerous for our. There are hundreds of millions of women who are getting the, so many men and women who are getting hormone problems. Because the chickens are being injected with hormones. The chicken are being injected with antibiotics. And you are taking these antibiotics through the chicken. Much more worse in the Philippines, the dirt of the chicken, the fecals of the chicken, they buy from the poultry, they bring it to the fish pond, and they put all this dirt of the chicken in the fish pond. Then they put the water, and they will feed this dirt of the chicken to the fish. And they call it, that is this fish pond, the tilapia or bangos, it's all filth. Just because of the greediness. And they call themselves reformers. You are not reformers, Allah said, you are mischief makers. The number one producer of the genetically modified food is America. They are producing the genetically modified food, so wheat, the corn, just to multiply the production. They change the genes of the corn and the wheat, and then it's multiplying the production. But what happened now? The genetically modified foods are causing cancer. Millions of people, they get cancer every day, every year. Millions of people get the cancers every day because of the genetically modified foods. Even Philippines, it's allowed to bring the genetically modified food. It should be prohibited. In the whole Europe, the genetically modified food from America is not allowed to enter because it can cause cancers. Organic. This is a life before when 100, 200 years ago, we have everything organic. There were no chemicals, there were no fertilizer, pesticides, beautiful life. Today, the world, say the modern world, educated world, highly profile world, high-tech world, but what is it now? Full of disease. Hundreds of millions of people, they have diabetics. Hundreds of millions of people, they have hypercholesterol. Hundreds of millions of people, they have heart attacks, stroke. Destroying the humanity with this, their system of so-called reformers. And Allah says in the Quran, when they say to them, don't make mischief on the earth, they say, we are the reformers. We are the peacemakers. Allah innahumul mufsiduna walakin la yashurun. No doubt, they are the mischief makers, but they perceive not.